Scott's Reviews. It is a very windy day and it's freezing cold, so that's why I had this beanie hat on. But it's not about me. It's not about this. It's about that thing. So I have different arm bars. Like just recently I got this microphone. I used to put my camera on here. I never really had the real deal, which is the complete over-the-head top. So this is great for unboxing kind of videos, but this is from Neewer, and they sent me this for a review. I kind of actually asked for this. They said, what's something you were interested in reviewing? And this was it, the tabletop stand, DS001 telescope arm. A lot cleaner than trying to bend an arm like this to get it where you want it to go to get that overhead shot. I put the weight on the screen, how much it can hold. Now, how I have it set up is not the best because of the way the table is configured, but this bracket is pretty heavy duties. But these are the same kind of telescoping undos that you have like right here on your tripod. Unscrew them and kind of pull them out. So this is the maxed out length I have. I wish it could be a little bit farther over, but I understand if it's too far, then it starts to bend, and it's just cleaner. And this is adjustable here. I can go a little bit higher here. This comes anywhere I want to on this pole. And there is another mount up top here for a tripod mount, quarter screw. If you want to add another light or something like that on top, you can do that. Links are down below. I like it. Metal, a little rubber texture right here. Pretty clean. That's it. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you in the next one.